Welcome to our service workshop area. So I'm standing here in our service workshop area and I've got Don here.
How are you today?
So Don, you work here in our workshop.
Correct.
Can you tell us a little bit about your day here?
Yeah, sure. Well, let's take this van for instance. The owner of this has brought it in. They want to get a full service. So that's bearing, suspension, everything underneath, greasing. But they also want a bit of a makeover. So things like little knockouts like this we can fix. Simple things like the decal, the stickers don't look good. Blackening the front of the van. So basically we run through the van, we test hot water, we test heating, we just check everything in the van, everything running, everything as it should be. And basically it will come back looking brand new after we do what we do.
So Don, what are some of the worst problems that you've seen on vans in your history as a mechanic?
Okay, so on some of the vans, it's the routine of setting them up. That people use the vans once every 6 months and just forget that they have to put legs down, they have to level the van. Running the power, making sure the van's got power to run if they're going to go. Water, testing the hot water system, all those sorts of things. Things have to be checked, things have to be used. If they're not, sometimes they break, that's when they bring them in and we fix them.
So the problems you see are someone who has forgotten maybe their checklist and using the van.
Yeah.
So for example, like this spot at the front of the van, they forgot to check the angle of departure when they were leaving and then banged it.
They've basically jackknifed their car into the van, backing it in, forgetting how close the car gets to it, depending on what sort of vehicle it is. Some have further, but this is not the van's fault, this is a human error. This is something that, that we encounter quite a lot. But it's, it's a thing, the filters, which are in here as well, changing those, they clog up, especially if you're out in the red dust, which the Kimberley Kampers are a lot. They're a very strong van, they're a very robust type camper. So they're the sort that you will take out into the bush and knock around. Bring them in, get them serviced, get them going again, you're all good.
And what would you say a service generally entails on a van like this?
Pretty much everything, like I said. We start with the mechanics. So we'll take the wheels off, we'll check, replace the bearings, re-grease, check wheel alignments, check brake systems, bleed brakes, replace brake pads if need be, bleed nipples on the brake lines, all of those sorts of things. So swing arms, greasing the swing arms, making sure the grease is getting through, cleaning out all the old stuff because that's not helpful by leaving it there as well. It's got dust and dirt and crap in it. Other things like lights, we check all the lights on the van and make sure it's legal with all the reflectors, everything's working.
So you're basically making sure that it would still pass a roadworthy?
That's correct, yeah. It basically, if it comes in here for a full service, it'll go out as good as we can get it. We always go that little bit further to make things right, and yeah.
Perfect. So like a lot of people like yourself, if you own a van, I'm sure you're doing the service yourself on it. Why would you recommend to a customer that they come to us rather do it themselves? Is it just because it's a really dirty job?
Well, I actually bring my van here
to
get it done. So yeah, I trust what we do, and yeah, my van is everything to me. We're all campers here, we all have vans, we all do things. So yeah, we have the tools that can do the job properly. And that's the thing, like I can do it at home because I have the know-how, but we've got the gear here that we can do it properly.
So welcome to our SEQ Campers workshop. This is one of our workshop guys. So I just want to say thank you for Don for being in this video.
No problem.
And you're welcome to visit anytime and talk to Don or the team and know what their day is like.